Everybody, my name is William and today I'm going to be reading to you The Diary of a Cat. So in my last episode, we talked about Diary of a Cat 1, where Canny and Cody, who is the mom of Canny, he and his friends went on a field trip to the museum. They discovered a new fish called salmon. So that's like previously what happened in the last video. So now this is a new chapter and I'm going to read it for you. Firstly, I will read a few sentences so we know what they are going to come up with. Today is a new day. A new day means more fun. I wonder what we're going to do today. I can't go to school because the fish tournament is soon. They have their prize as salmon. Yay! So now what we know is that they have a fish tournament. In my previous episode, a fish tournament is where the people go around a place. I don't really know what place, like a supermarket or a school, and then they collect fish. And then whoever collects the most fish wins the prize. So now they have their prize as salmon. Now I'm gonna keep reading for you. The last time we went to the cat museum and we learned about salmon. We learned that salmon has omega-3. Omega-3 means that it's good for our eye and skin. The fish tournament is coming soon. I can't wait to be pairs with Alexa. Okay, now we know a new character. She's called Alexa. Okay, now I'm gonna keep reading so we can know a bit more about Alexa. Well, tournament coming soon. I can't wait to be pairs with Alexa. Alexa is one of Brownie's friend who is very good at fish tournaments. Alexa has played a lot of tournaments before and is always third or second place. Sometimes Alexa is in first place. Okay, now we know Alexa is very good at fish tournaments and she has played in a lot of fish tournaments and she is one of Brownie's friends. We already know who Brownie is. And she always gets third, second, or first. Okay? Third, second, or first. Now let's see more. Alexa is very talented at finding fish in a fish tournament. Okay, so now we know that Alexa is very talented at finding fish in a fish tournament. I went down to eat breakfast. In case you're wondering, I can eat anything that humans eat. We can eat food like sushi, salmon, and drink juice. We can do that because we are from Cat World, not Earth. Now, I'm going to repeat this sentence. We can do that because we are from Cat World, not Earth. So now we know that in this story, there's a completely different universe. A type of universe there's a different type of universe which is not Earth. So that's why they can eat like foods like normal cats cannot eat. Okay, so now because like they're from another universe, so like if this cat, so imagine cat cannot eat this one, the imaginary food in here, but the cat from Cat World, which is Canny, one of the cats in Cat World is Canny, can eat this exact same imaginary food, but the regular cat from Earth cannot eat it. So that's basically what they're trying to say. Now I want to tell you an example. Okay, cats on Earth cannot eat juice or sushi, but can eat farmed salmon. So now we have an interesting fact. Cats cannot eat juice. That's what the text says, but sometimes it's drink juice or sushi. So drink juice or eat sushi. Okay? But the cats from the Earth can eat farmed salmon. Okay, now I'm gonna keep reading and we're gonna learn a few more information before what happens next. Sir Goldie the cat told us that. So now we know that Sir Goldie the cat told us that cats cannot drink juice or eat sushi but can eat farmed salmon. As I was eating breakfast, my mom said that she was going to the fish market to buy food. I said okay and she left. So now Kanny's mom, who's Coty, is going to the supermarket. After I finished eating my breakfast, my dad handed me my math homework. Okay, so now Canny has math homework. That's just a bit. Okay, I think it's gonna get more interesting. Well, we'll read to find out. Question 1. If a cat has 3 fish and another cat named James have 3 fish, how many fish does James have? Okay, so 3. So now let's do this. So let's say a cat has 3 fish. So now I'm going to get a paper right here, and then I'm going to write down a cat. So a cat equals 3 fish. A cat has 3 fish. And another cat named James. So we're going to write down James. Look, so over here, a cat has 3 fish. Next is James, okay? So James also has 3 fish. But this question is actually a kind of a trick question because it never said that he got 3 fish. It just said that another cat that we don't know about has 3 fish. And the James have 3 fish. So now let's read what he said. So my answer is going to be 3 fish. I know he has 3 fish because he had them in the first place. Okay, now we know that. Now we know what he answered. We know that he thinks that James have 3 fish because he had them in the first place. And I'm going to keep reading. Reading. I wrote, James have 3 fish. Okay, now Canny wrote James have 3 fish. Okay, so now let's keep reading. That question was easy. I think I should try a harder question. I'll try question number 2 to see if it is harder. Okay, question 2. If you had 3 fish, okay, so now how we're gonna write 3 fish. 3 fish. 3 fish. And someone took 2 fish. So someone took 2 fish, which is minus 2 fish, and you ate 1 fish. Okay, so minus 1 fish. How many fish would you have left? So it's probably 0 because from 3 minus 2, it becomes 1. And 1 minus 1 from what he ate is going to be 0. So the answer is 0. So let's see what he writes. What Canny writes. I know the answer is 1 because it will be in your tummy. So, or it could be 2 because the cat took the fish and did nothing to it. Or it could be 0. I think I'm going to. I wrote 2 fish. So Canny is thinking of 2 and I'm thinking of 0. I don't know who's correct or if it's a trick question, but I think I'm correct. Now let's keep reading. I'm gonna read an entire paragraph for you before I'm gonna explain. Okay, my homework is done and my mom arrived. She bought me some drinks and dory fish. I love eating dory because it is delicious and has a marvelous look. Now I have done my maths homework, which means it's time to do my literacy homework. Or in the cat world, you can call it Canlish homework. For literacy or Canlish, I had to tell what my favorite fish is and why it is my favorite fish. I think I have to go with dory because it is great and delicious. I wrote, I like dory fish because it is tasty. Okay, so now we know that his favorite fish is dory because in his homework he had to write what his favorite fish was, and then he wrote down Dory. So his favorite fish is Dory. So he's going to write down that one, and then he's going to give it to the teacher tomorrow, or I don't know what happens. I like Dory fish because it is tasty. Okay, all of my homework is done. Now it is time to go to my mom to get lunch. I went down the stairs to my mom to get my lunch. My lunch was an apple and what day is it today? Today's Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. Oh, wait. It says I can't go to school because the fish tournament is soon. Okay. Okay, so let's keep reading. I ate my lunch while I was thinking of watching the new cat series. Okay, so now we know that there's a new thing called cat series. I don't know why it's called cat series, but it's called cat series. It says that the national cats are going to talk about the new fish tournament. They're going to tell what a fish tournament is, what is the prize, what the prize is, and where it is going to take place. Okay, now we know that the fish tournament, the national cats are going to tell us what a fish tournament is, what the prize is, and where it is going to take place. Now let's keep reading to find out more. I already know this because I am at episode 394, and they have released episode 395. So now we know that she has been watching a lot already. Like 394 episodes is a big number for watching episodes. So now we know that she has watched up to 394 episodes. 394 episodes. Okay. She has watched 394 episodes. Now let's keep reading. Okay, I'm gonna keep reading for a long time so that we know a bit more. After I ate my lunch, I went upstairs and into my room to see episode 395. I was watching, and then I kept on watching, and watching. Oh my gosh, watching. Okay, so the text just says watching to make a bit of a comedy, to make it a bit nice. So this time she repeats us watching 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 watchings. Nice. After the national people told us about their fish tournament, they told us that it is going to take place at the park. Okay, so at the park it is going to take place. And told us a hint that some of the fishes will be on trees. So, okay, let's see. This is my tree. So what they mean is, okay, imagine this little pencil is my tree and this eraser is the fish. So what they're meaning is like, there's going to be some over there, and some is going to be on the tree. Or it might be in the leaves of the tree and the branches. Okay, now all I have to do is bring Alexa and Brownie here. So I was planning for the fish tournament until I heard something. Knock, knock. I kept waiting. Knock, knock. Fine. I went downstairs to see who it was. It was Brownie. So now we know it's Brownie. I greeted Brownie and we both went upstairs. Are you done with the plan? Alexa is coming to your house today, said Brownie. Oh, I am working on it. Do you want to help? I asked. It was quite unexpected that Alexa's coming today. So now we know that Canny thinks that it's unexpected because thinks that he's unexpected, but I don't really know why. Because on the sentence it says, okay, now all I have to do is bring Alexa and Brownie here. So maybe I think it's because Alexa doesn't really go to like invitations. So they're just surprised that Alexa's coming. I know, said Brownie. I told him about my plans and he agreed to check the middle, and me to check the bottom, and Alexa to check the top. As soon as we started drawing the map, we heard a knock. Knock, 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 knock. Knock, 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 knock. Brownie flashily went downstairs to open the door because it was Alexa. Knock, 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 knock. We knew that it was Alexa because she was impatient. Yeah, that's a good impression. Ding dong, knock, knock. Ow. Ding dong. Brownie answered the door. What took you so long? Complained Alexa. It's been 10 seconds, shouted Brownie. Fine, whatever, complained Alexa in a mocking way. She went to our rooms to help us, and it was actually a great benefit. So Alexa's actually a great benefit, although she is a bit rude. She planned it carefully and as great as a detective. She said that we also should check under the chairs. This was a great idea because not all of the fish could be on the trees. If all the fish was in the trees, the tournament would be done in easy mode. After discussing the great plan, they left and I went to dinner. For dinner, I ate a fresh banana and then went to sleep excitedly. I was so happy about the tournament. Okay, this is going to be chapter 2 on Thursday. Now, I think today is going to be like how do you say it, like the day where it becomes how do you say, the fish tournament. Today is the day of the fish tournament. I ran downstairs as fast as I could without eating breakfast and just to the park. While I was running, I saw Alexa and Brownie on the way there. I realized that it was 30 cat meters, new word in the cat world, so I called a cat room. A cat meter in human language will be a kilometer, so we know that a cat meter equals to a kilometer. By the way, I am taking notes. Yeah, I am taking notes. Kilometers. And a cat room will be called a taxi or Uber. Okay, so now we know that cat room equals a taxi. Okay. I already know what a taxi is, but I don't know what Uber is. We were at the park and we flashily started looking. Then Colby and Lily arrived. I looked under the chairs and then I saw fish. They usually put anchovies for us to find. Then Brownie found 2 on the walkway. That's nice. After that, the apocalypse started. There were thousands of cats. They started finding more and more fish. First place is Morgan with 16 fish. Second place is Alexa with 13 fish. Lastly, the third is Canny with 11 fish. Only 2 more before passing Alexa, said the announcer. Okay, so now we know that Alexa is actually good at finding fish in a fish tournament because she is already second place. Lastly, the third is Canny with 11 fish. So only 2 more fish for Canny until he passes Alexa. I'm in third place. I looked around as careful as I can so that I can get more fish. I kept looking and then found some, but then I realized I passed Alexa. as soon as I was done passing Alexa, the tournament ended. So now he's second place, okay? So after the tournament, Brownie is second place, okay? Second place. So now we know that after the tournament, Brownie is second place. I got the prize as a 1 week amount of salmon food supply. I hopped on the cat room and went to home. Nice. I gave my mom the salmon and she was so happy that I have never seen a smile that big. So her mom was so happy that was the biggest smile she had ever made. She was so happy that she ate salmon for dinner. It was so good. Then I went to sleep happily. Good night, diary. By William. Okay. So now I read the entire story for you. So now we know that our fish tournament happened. A Diary of a Cat 3 is coming soon. But I have a little quiz for you. I like an ending quiz to see. So there's only 3 questions. It's not that long. How many episodes has Canny watched? Like in the cat series. How many episodes has Canny watched? If you said if you said 395, you are correct. Now, what is a cat room? If you said taxi or Uber, you are correct. Second, what did they get as the prize when they won the fish tournament? What did Canny get as the prize when they won the fish tournament? If you said 1 week food supply of salmon, you are correct. If you got it all correct, I'm going to say you listened pretty well. And you did a great job. By the way, thank you for watching the video. See you again next time. Bye.